We listen to a lot of companies, both small and large, on their requirements for tokenization technology. And generally, of course, the level of understanding is not high, right? So it's more basic requirements, I would say, at this stage. But they are interested in automation and cost reduction. They are interested to fractionalize. That's also the really big companies, the private equity firms and so on. They also want to fractionalize, reduce the ticket size, get down to smaller investments. Instead of requiring 1 million per investor, they can go down to maybe 50,000. So that's at least also a fraction for them. And the smaller firms, right, real estate developers and so on, that we have many clients in that space. They want to fractionalize down to 100 euros or US dollars. And then finally, they want liquidity. Liquidity, right, is the holy grail of the tokenization space. I would say it's not something we have been so good at delivering yet, but it's coming, and it's coming quite fast, I think. So the big exchanges, London Stock Exchange, the Swiss Digital Exchange, and so on. Many of these are also going into the tokenization space and launching sort of tokenized marketplaces.